How to write effective prompts for Hailuo AI. Stay with me until the end and I will share a little known prompt formula that can dramatically improve your Hailuo AI results every time. Let's jump right in. Hailuo AI is a powerful video generation tool, but to get the best results, the way you write your prompts really matters. If you've been typing random sentences and getting weird or blurry outputs, it's probably not the AI's fault, it's the prompt. So here's how to write smarter prompts that actually work. Start by being clear about 5 key things. First, what you want the video to show. Second, the artistic style or genre. Third, the mood and lighting. Fourth, specific visual details. And fifth, the kind of output you want. Here's the secret formula. Subject, style and genre, mood and lighting, specific details, output type. Let's break it down. Subject, what should appear in the video? Style or genre, what visual style should it follow? Mood or lighting, what's the vibe or lighting like? Specific details, add things like with rain and reflections to guide the look. Output type, tell Hailuo what format you want, like animated video in 4K. Now let's put it all together. Look at the example prompt on screen. This prompt tells the AI exactly what to create, no guesswork, no vague instructions, clear, detailed, and powerful. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more AI prompt tips and tutorials. See you soon!